Are you dreaming of upgrading to a better home while utilizing your home equity, but feel stuck due to your low interest rate? I hear this concern so frequently. Many homeowners are hesitating to buy a new home because they don't want to lose their low interest rate. I totally get it. However, the real issue isn't the interest rate. It's not considering your overall household debt payment and not having an equity transition plan in place that works. Currently, a home equity in this country is at an all-time high, but so are other debts like credit cards and car loans. And with the increasing interest rates on those debts, adding a higher payment can actually make a new home seem impossible. But imagine using your home and its equity to eliminate those debt payments and reduce your overall household debt payment instead of just focusing on your mortgage payment. And see, that's where an equity transition plan comes into play. And it's essential in today's market. My team has helped homeowners who initially thought that their payment would skyrocket if they bought a new home. But by reevaluating how they use their home equity and focusing on their overall household debt payment, they have managed to afford their dream home, some even more expensive than their current one, and eliminate all other debts, despite having a higher mortgage rate. See, you can buy a new home in this market without breaking the bank too. The key is to concentrate on your overall household debt payment and utilize your home equity wisely. And I'd love to help you with that. If you are considering buying a new home, reach out to me. Let's create an equity transition plan, lower your overall household debt payment, and get you into your dream home with minimal costs.